Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use MATLAB to solve different matrix operations. We're going to start setting up two matrices. A, it's going to be a 3x3 matrix. We type in the first row, then semicolon, and then type in second row, and then third row. So I'm having space, you could put a comma in between each of the elements in each row. That's the result. I'm going to do the same for B. It's going to be another 3x3. In fact, everything in MATLAB is a matrix. Now if we want to multiply A multiplied by B, we don't need to specify that we have two matrices and that it has to do row by column multiplication, because MATLAB works with matrices and it knows that it has to be row by column. If we wanted to do element by element, 3 multiplied by 1, and get that number in element 1, 1, then 2 multiplied by 1 and get that in element 1, 2, and so on, we would specify using the dot before the calculation. So the default setting in MATLAB is always do matrix calculations. Only if you don't want to do matrix calculations, you want to do element by element, then you use a dot. And this is what you get. You remember what A and B were. We have 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. 4, this value multiplied by 2 is 8. So remember, this is not the result of A multiplied by B. This is the result of multiplying element by element, the numbers in A by the numbers in B, which is not A multiplied by B. If we want to calculate the determinant of a matrix, we just use DT, then the name of the matrix. The determinant of A is -2. If we want to calculate the inverse of a matrix, we use IMV, and say we have a third matrix that is a 2 by 2 C. If we try to add A plus C, there are different sizes. A is a 3 by 3, C is a 2 by 2. We get an error where it's telling us the dimensions must agree. If we try to multiply those two matrices, we're gonna get a similar but slightly different error message. So up here, the matrix dimensions must agree, meaning they need to be exactly the same size for the addition of matrices. If you're multiplying, the message is slightly different. Inner matrix dimensions, meaning the number of columns in A has to be equal to the number of rows in C. Because they don't agree, we can't do the matrix multiplication. Okay, that's all from me with MATLAB. Bye.